one-on-one match. Remember what's at stake here. Scoop slam. Flying first.
Oh, look out! I think after that, I'd be searching in my tights for a white flag I could wave.
Oh, gosh, the back. That could very well dislocate a vertebra.
Uh-oh, this is bad. The superstar with a counter out of nowhere.
How much pain must that neck be in now? Oh, tremendous right hand to the temple.
Boy, did he get dropped or what? And the motor is just a bit quicker on that exchange.
Trying to put him away.
Stretching out that torso, checking for any bruises, and you know they're there. Oh, the motor!
And again, the mind games are played.
That was an impressive suplex. Oh, no. How much that arm's going to have left after this. Telegram! The superstar capitalizes.
That was just unadulterated power. Big move coming. Oh, God. Right down on the kidney.
Hey, he's going for it again.
Rolling out of the ring, and it might be time for him to reassess the situation.